Hi everyone, my name is Yasir Yamin. I'm a chartered accountant. I would like to welcome you all for admissions in SBR attempt for March 2025 and June 2025 attempt. Now, after much demand, I have launched my SBR classes, SBR course in English language as well. And you can obtain this course, you can take these recorded lectures along with 24/7 study support of mine. And there will be a planner included, there is exam kits done, there is past papers done, and plus we have weekly live sessions where we do additional areas, additional past papers, and we resolve your queries, whatever you like. So please make sure that you enroll on time. SBR is a very big paper. SBR is a very big paper, and I've been teaching this paper for around a decade now. I can assure you that if you enroll on time, this would be your best choice. Inshallah. Take care. Bye bye.